In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce user in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to onboard new members seamlessly, this guide will walk you through each step of the process with ease. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Salesforce website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the URL or click on the saved link if you have one. Once you're there, you'll see a login option at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse over this area and you'll notice an option to select Salesforce. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your credentials to gain access to your Salesforce dashboard. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for adding new users and managing them effectively. Once logged in, you'll want to turn your attention to the top right corner of the interface once again. Here you'll find the Quick Settings menu. Click on it to reveal a list of options designed to make your navigation smoother and more efficient. From the quick settings, find and select the users option. Clicking here will direct you to the user management section, which is your hub for handling and organizing the users within your Salesforce environment. This interface is packed with tools to help you customize user settings and permissions as required. Next, it's time to enter the details for the new user you're creating. In the provided field, type in the desired username. It's important to choose a unique and descriptive username that reflects either the user's role or function within your organization. This will ensure that you can easily identify and manage user accounts as your team grows. After you've typed in the username, the last step is to send an invitation to the new user. There should be an option to send invitation visible on your screen. Click this and an email will be dispatched to the specified person, inviting them to join your Salesforce team. This invitation grants them access to the platform and completes the user creation process. Ensure that the email address you've associated with this user is correct, as the invitation link is crucial for them to initiate their first login. And there you have it, your new user is now part of your Salesforce ecosystem, ready to contribute to your team's success. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently scale your user base and maintain seamless operations within Salesforce. Remember, each user created can be adjusted in terms of permissions and roles, allowing you to tailor their access according to their specific needs within the organization. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks.